right, good morning. Another beautiful day in Igatpuri. This is our day 2 in Igatpuri. So last evening, after the Camel Valley viewpoint, we headed directly to the resort because it started raining and the city started covering up with fog. So frankly speaking, आप लोग इगतपुर में है तो it's just one day itinerary. One day में you can cover most of the places. But since we were here for 2 days, we took that lenience of extending our another day of vlogging in Igatpuri. So continuing with our Igatpuri vlog, so the next destination, the first destination for us today, we are here at the railway dam, and we will show you the railway dam. So this is one of the offbeat places of Igatpuri. Most of the vlogs most of the places, when you search for places to visit in Igatpuri, most probably you might not come across this place because this is in the other part of the town, but luckily for us it was on the way through for a resort as well. So यहाँ पे the most beautiful thing is the scenery. This is one of the most beautiful places I have seen in Igatpuri since yesterday, and you just have a look of how beautiful this is. There's a lake and a dam at one side and beautiful mountain covered with mist and fog on the other side.
Alright, I hope you loved those amazing scenes. एकदम खतरनाक location है for camping and all. देखो यहाँ पे we've literally seen people camping yesterday and cooking Maggie and all that and eating. Just look at that beautiful thing. So if you're interested in camping Igatpuri, यहाँ पे railway dam पे it's the place to do. पीछे background में mountains and waterfalls and then this beautiful lake. Oh, breathtaking, unreal scenes hai yahan pe. Now with a heavy heart, unfortunately we will have to move from here and go towards our next destination. So with that being said, let's go.
Okay, all right. After having a very good peaceful time there near the railway dam, where we just went for a walk around and it was very beautiful, we have reached our next destination, which is the Igatpuri waterfalls. इसका भी ज़्यादा information नहीं है most of the places में, and rarely I've seen anybody covering this, but we wanted to see this place, so we have come here. So they say that there's a short trek of 10 minutes, around 500 meters. I don't know, we'll just show you the trek. So for that you have to park your vehicle here and pay 50 rupees and then head towards the waterfalls through a short trek. So we have parked the car and heading towards the waterfall, and let's go.
So alright, if you're seeing, this is the trail जहाँ पे अपने को walk करके जाना है, and straight away look at that beautiful scenes in front of me. Yes, that's the waterfall, Ramya.
Yes, it's already so beautiful.
So that's the waterfall, correct. So people are actually going all the way till there. You're seeing वहाँ पे ऊपर चढ़े हुए देख. Wow.
Again, I'm short of words, and I've been telling you that this is the most beautiful place, this is the most beautiful place, but this place is putting us in lots of surprises. Each place we are going in Igatpuri is a wonder, I should say. I have been to Switzerland, I have seen the place, and this is no less, or I would say this is more natural, this is more beautiful, so much untouched, and like nature at its best is what I can say. Just look at the view and the mountains around and the greenery. So if you see waterfalls, ये छोटा मोटा waterfalls तो नहीं है, ये बहुत height में है, बहुत height से. It should be around more than 1000 feet का height से it's falling down. And look at it, it's majestic, it's beautiful. And just opposite to that is the Igatpuri lake. Even this is, I think the water from there comes and forms a beautiful lake here. So lake का यहाँ रास्ता है waterfalls का there is one shortcut here जहाँ पे बीच में थोड़ा पानी मिलेगा and then you will have to cross the water to reach the waterfalls, and there is another way in the elevation top of the mountain, you know, which a short trek and then you will reach the waterfall. And apparently today is a Sunday, and I just spoke to a couple of people who reached there. There are a lot of people there, a lot of people bathing and enjoying. We for sure wanted to go, and I am ready to trek, but the point is he's given up. He's not getting down. He has seen so many mountains, it seems. He is telling mountains since morning. So probably for this trip we won't be able to make it, but if any of you are here in Igatpuri, it's a must visit and it's a must go. I mean, it's not
They
very
have to
far.
trek.
Yes, and it's they say it's not very far. It seems it's maximum around 15 to 20 minutes you should reach there. The only issue is with a kid, it's quite tough. But you guys enjoy, have fun, and we will stay here for some more time, enjoy the beauty at least, and then leave for our next destination.
वहाँ पे waterfall clearly दिख रहा है नहीं कैमरा में, because the whole place is covered in mist, fog, clouds, whatever it is. जाने का मन तो है, but then अगस्त्या को लेके नहीं होता, because वो थोड़ी दूर चल के, now come on, he's 3 years old, can't expect him to walk all the way till there. But then we're gonna enjoy it from here. It's breathtaking. It looks like Switzerland, straight from Switzerland.
Okay, so we have now reached our next destination, which is a very famous place. In fact, Igatpuri itself is famous for this place, which is the Myanmar Gate. And if you go inside, you will get Vipassana International Academy and Dhammagiri मेडिटेशन सेंटर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ म्यांमार गेट. ये प्लेस तो इगतपुरी रेलवे स्टेशन से बहुत पास है. इट्स वेरी नियर. इट्स नॉट इवन लाइक 1-2 minutes drive, or even if you're walking it's 5-10 minutes. So people who are coming to Igatpuri first visit this place, and as I already told you, the significance of Igatpuri itself is from this place. So let's start with our first place, which is the Myanmar Gate. If you see, we'll go close and capture the closer view of this beautiful gate. So look at it, it's already so beautiful. I cannot wait to go inside and see a lot of things here. But before that, Myanmar Gate. So this gate actually signifies the friendly and the spiritual, bonding and collaboration what we have with Myanmar, because as you know, both our countries, India and Myanmar, both share a lot of common interests of our culture and majorly Buddhism. So that's the reason this is called as Myanmar Gate, and it's a very beautiful gate. And as well as the architecture here, this is captured from the Thailand architecture. So if you see Thailand, wahan pe bhi there's a lot of influence of Buddhism. That is one country which promotes Buddhism. And yahan pe jo dikh raha, this pagoda, this is actually in the art and architecture of Thailand style. So it's a very beautiful entrance, very beautiful gate, and the pagoda, and really beautiful. I cannot wait to go inside and see what more this place has to offer. So as soon as you enter the Myanmar Gate, and you will be welcomed with a beautiful view of the mountains from here, and at the entrance itself you will see this Ashoka Stamba. So the importance of putting an Ashoka Stamba here is because of the King Ashoka, who played an important role in promoting Buddhism across the world. So even on his pillars, there was so much of promotion of Buddhism what he did, and that's because of which Buddhism is such an important religion today in the world. So this signifies that. And just behind is an art gallery where it shows the life of Buddha, throughout all his preachings and other information. And behind this is the Buddha Park, which is a small park where you can walk around, go around, spend some good time. Okay, so I told you, right, here there is a small Buddha Park, and behind that, if you go straight, is the actual place, which is the meditation center, which is the Dhammagiri. So apart from Myanmar Gate, one more reason why this place is very famous is because of the Dhammagiri Meditation Center as well as Vipassana International Academy. So this is the world's largest meditation center. So पूरा world में ये एक place है जहाँ पे biggest meditation center है, and who teaches where, and they teach the Vipassana style of meditation, which is one of the oldest form of meditation, which was taught by Buddha 2500 years ago, which is 2500 BC to 2nd century BC में जो बुद्धा सिखाया था, the same thing is being taught here, and this is the only place where Vipassana style of meditation is being taught. And one thing about Vipassana meditation is that I think for 10 days you're not supposed to speak to each other. You have to be quiet, you have to be stay a lot disciplined, and a lot of things are taught. So Rahul was teasing me that I should come and take a 10-day course for not speaking for 10 days, and so it's no funny, but they say that it's very tough. It's imagine 10 days of not speaking
without
Rahul.
technology, without
nothing,
phones,
yes.
nothing from your regular life से अलग होके 10 days you're silent and being taught a way of meditation that probably a lot of us have never heard about. So it's not going to be easy, but then I'm super sure that we will turn out and come out as a evolved or a changed person here.
This place is full of clouds and fog. So after Dhammagiri Vipassana Center, so we headed to our next destination, which is the Talegaon Dam, and this is in the Talegaon village, which is right next to the highway, the Mumbai-Nasik highway, and not far from the highway. It's around 3 kilometers inside you have to come, and it takes you through the Talegaon village. So the Google map showed us this route. We have come here. It's only 700 meters from here, not even a kilometer, but we are stuck here. So this is the road. It's all full of water and it's full covered with fog. यहाँ पे कोई है भी नहीं पूछने का कि road कहाँ है. But we just saw a car going there. We are unable to track the road because it's all in clouds, no visibility. But we'll still try to go back and see if there is another way to go and reach the Talegaon Dam.
अगर हमारे पास SUV रहता, some kind of sports utility, फिर भी try कर लेता है road पे, but then छोटू मोटू गाड़ी will not be able to do that for super duper sure. If you're seeing, there is one road there. Now we're trying to discover where that is, or rather how to go there. वो एक बार देखेंगे. Visibility zero है, पूरा जगह बादलों में covered है. वो building अभी दिख रहा, 5 minutes पहले वो building भी नहीं दिख रहा था. That's how dense it was. Okay, let's not waste much time. अरे अभी visibility आया रे थोड़ा. So we'll figure out that place, that road. हाँ अभी clear हुआ. ये देख वो road जा रहा, देख. The guys are going there. वो रोड जाना. Okay, so somehow गांव के पास वापस जाके we came back to this road. We were earlier stuck there, वहाँ पे अटके हुए थे, तो somehow रास्ता निकल के आ गए. थोड़ा कच्चा पक्का रास्ता है, but look at this beautiful serene place. It looks like a crazy grassland. एकदम green में है, fully covered in clouds. It's raining. सामने से कार आ रहा, आपको दिख रहा क्या? नहीं दिख रहा. That's how the visibility is. That's a white color car that's coming towards us. So this is the road. This is how the road is. थोड़ा कच्चा पक्का है, actually off road है completely. So super excited to go there. I doubt about the views because completely covered in clouds, but still excited to go there and see what this place has to offer. So with that, let's get rolling. Right, with a lot of confusions, we have finally reached the dam. विजिबिलिटी जैसा मैं बोला नहीं है, फिर भी थोड़ा पानी दिख रहा आपको. दिस इज़ द वाटर, बट इट एक्चुअली लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल. थोड़ा थोड़ा नेकेड आइज में दिख रहा, बट देन द होल प्लेस इज़ कवर्ड इन क्लाउड्स. जैसे वहाँ पे वो डैम का वो जो भी गेट वॉट एवर इट इज़ दैट्स देयर. आई मीन जस्ट सी हाउ फेंट विजन दिख रहा उसका. सो वी आर थिंकिंग विल वेट फॉर लाइक 5-10 minutes, hoping the clouds to clear from this place so that we can at least show you how this actually looks like. If it doesn't, then hard luck. जितना भी हो सकता है उतने cinematic shots डाल दो for you guys to enjoy this beautiful place.
Okay, we are in our next destination, a very exciting destination, and a must visit. You know, of course, probably all of you also. You know, when you come to Igatpuri, ये place भी must visit places में एक है, and ये there are 2-3 similar places around, and the first destination for that is this, the Bavli Dam. This is actually on the Darna River. The Darna River is the river for Igatpuri, and this dam is built across the Darna River. And अभी full monsoon है, पानी भी पूरा भरे हुआ है, and it's looking so beautiful and amazing. Like even the greenery, and look at the surrounding, and it's really beautiful. यहाँ पे actually sightseeing tourist places ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. It's just on the road, and you can just take a quick stop and just have a look at the dam.
Yeah, I mean the roads are also very narrow and patchy, and the security is तो अपन ऐसा road पे लगा दी, security is asking us to move. So that is the dam. It is actually super duper beautiful, and it's flowing यहाँ से all the way to which river, Ramya?
Darna River. This is the
Darna River.
वहाँ पे ऊपर है, but I'm not sure if they will
See,
allow
we-
to walk. अभी monsoon में
अभी तो I doubt, but probably I'm sure you can take this, और जो steps दिख रहे हैं वहाँ से steps दिख के you can technically go that. No, you can definitely go. I'm sure, because every dam is built like that, right?
Yes, yeah.
So now because the water flow is like super heavy, that's the reason they're not letting probably anybody go there. So this is the closest that we can get. मैं literally like इधर हूँ. So this is the closest that we can get to enjoy this beautiful scene. Alright, after enjoying that beautiful drive, we are at our next spot, which is called as Bavli Dam Picnic Spot. The scenes in front of me are absolutely beautiful, and एक waterfall तो randomly ऐसे ही दिख रहा मेरे को. So actually मैं जहाँ पे हूँ वहाँ से picnic spot थोड़ा दूर है, but then there are so many people here today, उधर parking नहीं है, तो मैं थोड़ा दूर पे I found this open spot here. There is one road going there. I don't know where that leads to. So I found this place here for parking, and look at that mountain peak covered in clouds. It's absolutely beautiful, and this is the Bavli Dam for you guys. So वहाँ पे जो बोल रहा हूँ, actually यहाँ पे भी है. People can come here, enjoy this beautiful view, this amazing weather. सामने देखो जितना भी दिख रहा, just lush green mountains, waterfalls. There I can see 5 to 6 waterfalls. Camera is doing zero justice to this place, and that place looks like the picnic spot जो which is walking distance from here, but वहाँ पे car parking नहीं है. That's the reason I stopped the car here to show this wonderful, amazing, beautiful, unreal place to you guys.
Okay, all right. So we are in the last destination for today, which is right behind me, the Bavli waterfalls. So this is in the same road from the Bavli Dam, which is also called as the Igatpuri Dam, which I forgot to tell you. So after that, there is the picnic spot. Even that is very beautiful. You don't have to trek, get into the forest or anything. It's right from, you have to park your car on the road, and you can see the waterfalls right here. Generally in the peak season, in other seasons and all that, you can walk from here till there, go like play in the water.
I still see people though,
Yes,
but I'm
यहाँ पे
sure they're
police- yeah, they
localites,
put police on duty
not
because-
tourists.
Yeah. So they put police on duty because of monsoons everywhere. All the tourist spots from morning, whatever we're visiting, there are 2 policemen, and all the entry is restricted. So there's one landslide slide which just happened. It's right behind us. So they've restricted the way. You can't go inside. But if it was not monsoon, you could have walked here and almost to the, like there's another route from there. where you can go to the first layer. This is 3-layer waterfall, 1, 2, 3. So at least till first layer and till the second layer you can trek and go till there and play in the water. Okay, in continuation of our Bavli waterfall journey, before this we saw one waterfall across the road, and after that 200-300 meters bhi nahi hai, like thoda aage aane ke baad, this is what you get to see, the real Bavli waterfall, which actually looks like the Bahubali waterfall. It's so majestic and falling from such a height, and it's looking amazing. You know, I'm mesmerized. I have no words to explain. Now enjoy the beautiful scenes of the waterfall, and let me take few pictures of my. So with that, we come to an end to our beautiful Igatpuri vlog, and this is the last location, and from here we are heading towards Bandardara, and frankly speaking, this is one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. This actually looks like Bali. Like this actually has Bali vibes. I'm in one day itna greenery मेरा life में मैं अभी तक नहीं देखी थी. But you know, I'm beyond words. This is so beautiful. So with that, we'll end our Igatpuri vlog here. Stay tuned, stay with us for much more vlogs, much more beautiful places.
Okay, before I end the vlog, I just wanted to show you this beautiful scenes here. यहाँ पे देखो, this is the dam. If you remember starting जहाँ पे waterfall के ऐसा दिख रहा है dam के पास, that's absolutely there, that wall you see. And look at the scenes. It's raining, people are dancing. Weather देखो, amazing place, and right opposite to this is that beautiful waterfall. Isn't that amazing? I have never seen anything like this before in my life. Alright, so with that beautiful waterfall behind me, I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you like this vlog. Please stay tuned for the next vlog, which is Bandardara और खूबसूरत होने वाला है. I'm super sure. So with that, I'll take a leave, hoping that you loved this vlog. In case if you did, you know what to do. Like, share and smash that subscribe button.